What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing another how to mine video for Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic is a hard fork to Thanos algorithm, so we're gonna go ahead and show you a couple of different differences for mining now and how to mine it. The first thing we're gonna do is I always go to Ethermine. You can go ahead and select Ethereum Classic up here. Hit Let's Start Mining. This will give us a couple of different servers and everything else. If you go all the way down, I'm going to go ahead and select PhoenixMiner. That's what I'm going to use to show you guys how to mine the Ethereum Classic Thanos algorithm. So when you go ahead and click on it, it's going to open Bitcoin Talk. If you scroll down just under this picture, it should have mega.nz link. When that opens, we're going to grab the newest one right now, which is 5.4C, and I'm going to use the Windows one because I use Windows for mining. Now guys, make sure you periodically check for new updates. Usually don't say this a lot in my videos, but check back about every week or every other week. Make sure the miner didn't update. Maybe it's going to give us better hash rate or better something. So make sure you guys are checking this often. So once you're on PhoenixMiner here, go ahead and click on it and download it. I already have it downloaded, so let's jump into that folder. When it's downloaded, you're going to have right click and extract it. Mine's already extracted. Double click it and it should give you something like this. If you go all the way down, you can see it says start miner or start miner.exe. If you open the start miner, this is what it should be in my etc file right now, but I already went and created everything, so it's easier for you guys to see. So once you right click and edit, you're gonna delete everything but these two lines: PhoenixMiner, pool, wallet, CoinMarketCap, pause, and move it up. So two things we're gonna need here. You're gonna select which pool you're using. I'm using the us1-etc.ethermine.org. Where can we find this? We go where we clicked on PhoenixMiner to open and download it. If you go up a little bit, you can see here you have the Asia one, Europe, and USA. I'm using the USA one right now. So besides needing the pool, which you're gonna put right here, and I have, you can see 555 right after it. Dash wallet, you're gonna have to copy and paste Ethereum Classic wallet in here, and then dot and whatever you want to name your rig. I just left the rig 001 just because it doesn't matter to me. Then it's gonna go space dash coin etc, and the bottom is gonna say pause. So that's all we need for our BAF file. You're gonna always, as always, go ahead, file, save as. So once that's done and saved, go ahead and double click on it, and this is what it should look like for you. It's gonna see etc pool, us1-etc.ethermine.org, so that's correct. It's allocating the DAG. Now, very important here for this new hard fork for Ethereum Classic is that by forking it, they are allowing now lower DAG for it, which means you can now use your 4GB cards and your 3GB cards to mine Ethereum Classic again. Very important and very cool. They're trying this to get their hash rate up and include all those cards that we're no longer using, because we can't even use the 4GB cards on Ethereum anymore. But now that they did this hard fork, now we can use it on Ethereum Classic again. Like I said, they're hoping to get their hash rate up to go away from those 51% of tax on them. So as far as my settings go for this 1616 Ti, I'm gonna let this run a little bit. So this is the afterburner. What I have it set is 58 power limit, 960 memory clock, and 75 for my fan speed. If you look to the left, it should run about 55C when I don't have anything open. Now I have stuff open and I'm recording on this computer, so you can see that you're getting about 26 mega hash. I get about 30.2 when I'm just letting the computer mine instead of when I'm using it. So when you start using the computer you're mining with, obviously the hash rate is gonna drop. So I get about 30.2 mega hash and running just about 70 watts. So once all this is done, as the program is running, where can we check our stats? So now if we go back to etc.ethermine.org, up here you can put your miner address, and this is my miner address, and it pulls up the stats for us. I have one working currently. Immature balances are 0.0031. It hasn't been cashed out yet, or it's unpaid balance. Right here it estimates how much I can make daily, weekly, or monthly. Now don't take this number the hard way, because you can see it's currently telling me I'm currently running 11.1 mega hash, average 7.2, reported 28.7. It's not averaged out yet to give me a correct number or close to correct number up here. Down here it's showing you all your current mega hashes, and down here it's going to show you your shares that your worker has done. You can see down here rig 001, that's what we left on the dot after the address. You go dot address dot rig 001, that's showing that the rig is running, guys. So as far as that's it for the new way of mining Ethereum Classic. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. I will leave the bat file down there and the link for the miner and for eveyrthing as well. Alright guys, and as always, have a wonderful day.